everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another video for you today. I have a Tuesday morning haul. So I was there yesterday and found a lot of goodies, and I think I'll start first with the pattern paper. So for those of you who follow my channel, you know that I do have a granddaughter, and I also have 3 grandsons and a great nephew. So when I'm scrapping kids, most of the time I scrap boys. So when I get to scrap my granddaughter, I do really like to use all things pink, purple, and feminine. Not all the time, obviously. Sometimes I gear it by what she's wearing, but she does tend to wear a lot of pink and purple because, you know, Mama has 3 boys to dress otherwise. Anyway, I picked up this Perfect Princess collection pack by Echo Park, and it's a Lori Whitlock design. There are 12 by 12 double-sided pattern papers in here, and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So I'll just pop that there, and then part of the 12 by 12 papers are these cut apart journaling cards. So there's what the papers look like. The number on this one is 208-1377. Again, 208-1377. And for $5.99, that's a great deal. I think you can find these a lot of times for about $10 or so. Like you can get them like at Hobby Lobby and stuff like that. The retail on this says $14.99. So anyway, this is the Perfect Princess collection pack. Next, I have this Meow collection pack. I do have 2 cats, and even though I don't scrapbook them all the time, I do scrapbook them from time to time with their crazy antics, so I thought this would be fun. This, again, is another one with the 12 by 12 double-sided papers and the element sticker sheet, and then on this one you have 1 cut apart. This as well was $5.99. The number on this is 208-1370. Again, 208-1370, and another great value. And I see tons of things about dogs out there in the scrapbooking world, but cats are a little bit harder to find, so it was nice to find this. Next, I bought this Echo Park mini theme, which is called Summer Camp. I'm going to be going camping in a couple of weeks, and I do have another collection by Echo Park that I thought this would be a fun one to add. This is more fall colors than the other one I have, and we're going camping in the fall, so that'll be kind of fun. This one has 6 12 by 12 double-sided papers and the 6 by 12 sticker sheet as well. So you can see that, and there's the papers. This one was $3.99, so a little bit more. Those $5.99 kits are a great value. This number is 208-2844. Again, 208-2844. Let me pull that back. You can see that a little bit better there. Okay, so that's that. Then I bought the Jade kit from Project Life. It was sitting on an end cap, and I videoed this once before, but for some reason the video was shaking like crazy. I think I had my camera mount up on my mat or something, so I couldn't, that you guys wouldn't have been able to watch that. So I had pulled everything apart before I realized that, and I got rid of the Project Life cover sheet, but I believe that there are 24 pattern papers in here, and I'm just gonna, on that you could see what they actually were. I'm going to fan these for you. This is a really good deal because it was $4.99, and I think there are a lot of really usable patterns, either together or separately, as you know, use them separately as well. Like, you know, who doesn't need a good green background print? And again, this is the Jade collection, and there's 2 of these. I'm just not fanning them all that way. There's a great stripe. This one is the days of the week, and then this one says love, and then there's a gray polka dot there. So that's the first side of everything. Really, like I said, really usable prints. And then here is the back side of all those papers. So they coordinate really nicely. The camera print and just the black and white. So lots of really good pieces here. So this Jade Edition Project Life paper pad was $4.99. The number is 213-8648. Again, 213-8648. All right, so that is all the paper I bought. let's talk about embellishments now. So I used some cork a few months ago when I was working with Cheeky Studio, and I really liked it. It's been a while. I managed to find this pack of cork stickers from 7 Paper, which is a Studio Calico brand. They are really pretty school themed here, but I'm okay with that because I have a grandson in school. But also there's a lot of things that necessarily you wouldn't need to, like these I love to read and bookworm. My great nephew loves books, so I think that'll be great for him. There's the super and the globe and the star and the light bulb and try your best and fantastic. So lots of really usable things. If I have some of these left over, the more school themed, although I do know I have these school themed pieces, I'll just put them in my little folder that I keep my school stuff in. So the cork sticker icons from 7 Paper were $1.49, so really good deal there. The number here is 215-0072. Again, 215-0072. Then I bought something that I've bought a couple of times, and that is these Glitter Girl puffy shaker stickers. So there's a little confetti in them will shake. I have used 2 packs of these already, so I'm perfectly happy to have another one. And I believe they all came from Tuesday morning, so that's really awesome. This number is 2115840. Again, 2115840, and it was $1.99. So I didn't want to pay $5, but $2, absolutely. Then I got these stickers, these chipboard thickers. They're called Wonderful. So you can see that, and they are from the Willow Lane collection. So I do have some Willow Lane, but this will go with any of the Maggie Holmes and Crate Paper pieces. It's definitely a style that you would recognize and see. So I think that's pretty awesome. So there's those. They also have a lot of besides the chipboard, they have these awesome glitter foam hearts and stars. So I think this is going to be really an awesome pack to use. And it was only $2.49. So their thickers have now gone from $1.99 to $2.49, just so you know that. The number on this is 213-9104. Again, 213-9104, and it's $2.49, but that is still a really great, it's 50 off what you would pay otherwise. So really awesome. Then I found these Willow Lane journaling ephemera pieces, and there's a lot of, it's cardstock, and there's a lot of glassine, like bags and a couple of glassine elements to this as well. So I'm going to just do this so I don't have to open them. So that's what they all look like. They're, mostly you tuck them into envelopes, but this one is actually a paper pad with 4 sheets. So if you have a big story to tell, I think this will be really nice. And I already have a project for either this one or this one in mind. I have some Crate Paper. I'm going to do a layout about a really close friend of mine who just passed away. And so I think these will be really cool elements. So the number on this one is 213-9108. Again, 213-9108. These were $4.99. There's a lot in here. There's, let me think. There's 5, there's 8 cards, and they're big. A lot of these are pretty big. So $4.99, the regular value is $9.99. So I think this is a really good deal as well. So that's the embellishments. Then, because I can never resist a thicker, I bought these. These are the Mermaid Thickers, and I don't know that I know what collection these came from. I was just looking to see if I could tell. I think it's a collection called Oh Summertime, but actually I can tell you that. I think, yes, this was from a collection called Oh Summertime. I have no idea what line that was, but I love Chamel's Fitzgerald font in this, and I like this font is super usable because it is a smaller font. I did actually buy 2 packs of these just because I know I'm going to use the heck out of these. So the number on this one is 215-4757. Again, 215-4757, and it was $2.19 for this pack. Then I bought this pack, and these are the detail thickers, and they are from Simple Life, which might be a Jen Hadfield collection, but I don't remember that for sure. So awesome wood grain. Just so you know, I'm not sure if you're picking this up. I hope you are, but there are different tones of wood grain. They're not all one tone. So if that's the kind of thing that will bother you, this might not be your favorite thing, but I'm so happy to have wood thickers back in my stash because I didn't have any. And so I bought actually 2 packs of these because, again, I knew I would use them. Now, for some reason, and there's no price on this one, but I've got the receipt here, they were $2.49 a piece instead of the $2.19. So I'm not sure if their thickers are going up or if it's because it's chipboard, but whatever. $2.49 for these. Might be that they're newer. And the number on this one, guys, is 213-7442. Again, it's 213-7442. And for some reason, they didn't have a price on this one. The other set they did, but I've already pulled it out of the package, so that won't help you. Then last but not least, and remember I said that I had put stuff away, I bought this package of Sticko stickers, and they're black. Let me grab the numbers out of here so you can kind of see what they look like. This is how I store my alphas like this. So this is, they're longer than my storage pockets, so I just cut the bottom off of these just to make it really easy. So really nice black usable alphabet. There's 2 of each sheet in here, and these were $1.99 because they are the Sticko brand versus Thickers. And the number on this one is 214-7201. Again, 214-7201. So that's my Tuesday morning haul for this week, guys. They had a lot of great stuff there, so go have fun. Bye.